In recent years, the world has witnessed remarkable advancements in robotics, with polyfunctional robots emerging as a key innovation. These robots are designed to perform multiple tasks, making them versatile and highly valuable in a variety of settings. From healthcare to disaster relief and even daily household chores, polyfunctional robots are proving to be more than just machines. They are becoming indispensable companions in modern life. Unlike traditional robots that are built for a single function, such as industrial robots assembling car parts, polyfunctional robots can switch between roles depending on the need. These machines often leverage modular designs or advanced programming to perform diverse tasks. A simple example can be found in robotic vacuum cleaners like the iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Plus. While primarily designed to vacuum floors, this device also mops, adapting to different cleaning requirements. Such multifunctionality reduces the need for multiple gadgets and simplifies daily life for users. The healthcare industry has been a significant beneficiary of polyfunctional robots. Consider the Da Vinci surgical system, a robot that assists surgeons in performing minimally invasive procedures. While its primary function is surgery, the system can adapt to various types of operations, ranging from cardiac to gynecological procedures. This adaptability makes it a vital tool in modern hospitals. Robots like the TUG autonomous mobile robot also showcase polyfunctionality in healthcare. These robots transport medications, meals, and medical supplies within hospitals, reducing the workload on staff and ensuring efficient operations. Their ability to navigate complex environments and perform diverse tasks exemplifies the potential of polyfunctional robots in critical settings. If you're new to my channel, please check out my videos and consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you for your likes and subscriptions. In disaster scenarios, time is of the essence, and polyfunctional robots are making a difference. Boston Dynamics Spot robot, for instance, is designed to assist in search and rescue missions. Spot can navigate challenging terrains, assess structural damage, and even carry supplies to trapped victims. Its ability to switch between tasks like surveillance, data collection, and material delivery highlights its versatility and effectiveness in emergencies. Beyond specialized fields, polyfunctional robots are increasingly entering homes, schools, and workplaces. For example, Amazon's Astro robot combines home security and personal assistance. It patrols the house, streams video to your phone, and even delivers items like drinks to family members. Similarly, in offices, robots like Temi serve as mobile assistants, offering video conferencing, document delivery, and even entertainment. In education, robots like Baxter have made significant strides. Baxter's interactive design allows it to teach programming and robotics to students, fostering hands-on learning. By demonstrating how robots can adapt to various tasks, Baxter also serves as a tool for inspiring the next generation of engineers and innovators. The agricultural sector has also seen impressive applications of these robots. The small robot companies Tom, Dick, and Harry robots work together to plant, monitor, and manage crops. These polyfunctional robots help farmers optimize yield while reducing resource usage, showcasing how robotics can benefit industries reliant on manual labor. Polyfunctional robots have a growing role in security as well. Molly Robotics' kitchen robot, though primarily designed for cooking, could integrate with smart home systems to enhance security. Robots like night scope, K5, patrol public spaces such as malls and parking lots, monitoring for unusual activity and deterring potential threats. Their ability to combine surveillance, communication, and incident reporting in a single platform illustrates the immense potential of these machines. While polyfunctional robots are undoubtedly impressive, they are not without challenges. Their complexity often leads to higher costs, which can limit accessibility. Additionally, programming robots to handle a wide range of tasks without error requires significant advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning. As technology evolves, we can expect to see polyfunctional robots becoming more affordable and widely available, further transforming industries and daily life. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch up with you in another exciting video soon. Until then, goodbye and take care.